Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy M23 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do it, open settings application, swipe up the screen, open settings, and there scroll and look for your connections and their data usage. In this part we choose billing size, data warming, and there we can set data limits. First day, we can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month. There we can turn on by the switch on turn off data warming, and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you prefer. And the same story with set data limits, turn on it and we can change it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.